All right, what's going on, y'all? I don't know if you guys can hear me. I'm on this busy road right now. I have my headphones in. We're downtown Miami right now, guys. I'm in a better area now, but look at this building, y'all. This is the Aston Martin building. It looks so nice. We got the boats coming in and out right now. Dang, I don't like how the quality of this video is so low because it's dark out here. But guys, Miami will literally show you, no matter how good you're doing in life, no matter how much money you have, there's always somebody that's doing more than you. Like, I promise. I'm literally walking down the street and I see these dudes that are just super high level. Like, I know them, like I know about them and stuff like that, and they're just ballers. And I'm just like, bruh, like, I gotta go back and I gotta put in so much more work now. Like, if this motivates you. To the people that say like Miami is like a distraction, it could honestly be your biggest motivator, guys. Like, I know that I'm only 22, so like it's just a lot. It's still a lot of work to do, but it's just crazy to see how much money's out in the world. And it's absolutely insane, guys. And if you're a strong-minded person and you like can get motivated easy, like, bro, it makes me want to grind so hard and just never leave the house, grind on my computer, film more, post 2 to 3 times a day. I honestly need to go out and walk every night in Miami and just see all these dudes doing better than me. Now, it's not great to compare yourself, but it also, if you can use it to your motivation, that's good. Like, good for them that they've accomplished all that stuff. But like, I just know like there's just so much more out there. It looked tough, guys. If you would have seen these guys pull up in these crazy supercars, cool neon colors, and just get out the whip, and then everybody's looking at them, that's cool. Like, that's some player shit right there. And there's nothing wrong to want that either. And don't worry, guys, I'm gonna get all that stuff too. That's gonna be me soon. Don't worry. I'm gonna be that dude coming out of like the McLaren or something, shades on, 6'5", jacked at 210 pounds. And I'm just gonna be looking like a pimp. Like, literally. Not a pimp, like a mafia boss. I definitely recommend, if you guys can afford it, come out to Miami. Try to get to Miami because you won't find better motivation. It doesn't even have to be Miami, but just start surrounding yourself with a lot of successful people that are doing way better than you. And you're gonna be like, holy crap, like there's way more to this life than what I've been living. And just me always surrounding myself in my brain seeing that, and it's always reminding my brain like, dang, there's way more to this life than what I have right now. It makes me just want to grind 10 times harder. And it's like, it's easy to forget, it's easy to lose motivation. Like, there's times where I'll be hella fired up and I'll forget. 2 days goes by and I'm like, oh, okay, like you just kind of start coasting again. You're not blitzing. But when you can surround yourself around us every single day, you're never gonna forget. It's literally impossible to forget. Because you're gonna see your dream car every single day. Or you're gonna see your dream lifestyle every single day. I kind of was just walking, doing my little daily nighttime walk in Miami, and I just seen that event that triggered me, where it was just those dudes, hella successful, all came out of those supercars. And I was like, bro, I'm heated now. I'm mad. I gotta go to work. I gotta pull out a camera and start filming content, and I gotta grind. So usually the best yaps, the best tangents come out when you're mad or super highly, I don't want to say mad, I'm not mad, but when you're super highly on fire and motivated, that's when the best yaps come out. So I was like, you know, I gotta pull my camera out and I'm gonna just talk. So, all right, so that's my little tangent, guys. I will catch you guys in the next video. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my walk down in Miami. We're in Brickell right now. Beautiful place to live, guys. If you guys are gonna move somewhere in Miami, move to Brickell. It's great down here. We got the water. It's amazing. I'm signing off for the night. Peace.